Good morning, students all. Last class we finished the semiconductor devices KCET problems we completed. Now we will discuss the NEET problems in the same chapter. So, page number 418, first question. First question, page number 418. What they are asking, see. Choose only the false statement from the following. In conductors, valence and conduction bands may overlap. That is correct statement only. Substances with energy gap of the order 10 electron volt are called insulators. That is also correct statement. The resistivity of a semiconductor increases with the increase in the temperature. No. On increasing the temperature, their resistivity will decreases. So third option will be the wrong statement. So we had to find the wrong statement. So third will be the answer for it. Next. Carbon, silicon, germanium atoms are 4 valence electrons each. Valence and conduction bands are separated by energy band gaps Eg of C, Eg of Si, Eg of Ge respectively. Which relationship is correct? So if you take carbon, its energy gap is around 10 electron volt. Carbon is an insulator. For insulators, forbidden energy gap will be 10 electron volt. Eg of Si, if you take, it will be 1.1 electron volt. Energy gap of germanium you take, this will be 0.7 electron volt. So, which will be the correct relation between them means Eg value greater than this Eg of C greater than Eg of Si. First option will be correct for it. Check the remaining options. Those are not correct. So, second question, it will be first option. Next. Third question, you see what they are asking. Application of a forward bias to a PN junction. If PN junction diode is in forward bias, what will happen means width of the widens the depletion zone, no, narrows the depletion zone. First option wrong. Increases the potential difference, no, it decreases the potential difference across the depletion zone. Increases the number of donors on the N side, that will be correct. Third option, it will be third option. Third question, third option. Next. Fourth option, increases the electric field in the depletion layer, no, decreases. So third question, third option will be the correct answer. Next, Zener diode is used for voltage stabilization. So fourth question, it will be also third option. Okay. Next, see the fifth one, what they are asking. Following figure shows a logic gate. A, B are the inputs. C will be the output. What is the logic gate? See here. A will be like this. Okay. Next, B will be like this. Next, C will be like this. This is 0, 0. Output will be 0. A, B, C, A0, B0, C0. Next, what happened? It will be like this, means 1. Only 2 inputs will be there. So, A value 1. B value, if you take, that will be also 1. Okay, now C value we got it as 1. They gave like this: A1, B1, C1. Next, third one, if you take, A will be 0, B will be 1, same. A will be 0, B will be 1. Understanding? This will be zeros. These are ones. Here again what happened? This value is 1. It value is all. This value is also 1. C value they gave it as 0. Okay. So what is the third one? A 0, B 1, C value will be 0. Next, A value will be 1, B value will be 0. It will be like this. And C value will be also 0. So what is this gate means? AND gate. Okay. You check, this will be the AND gate. So answer for this will be fifth question. It will be fourth option. Understanding? This will be 0. This will be 1. 0, 1. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. We wrote the same values. Next, remaining, no need to consider. All values are came, na? So no need to consider the all. Next, sixth one. What they are asking, see. Transistor is operated in common emitter configuration. Common emitter configuration, we will get beta value at constant collector voltage such that change in the base current from 100 milliampere to 150 milliampere. Base current changes from 100 microampere to 150 microampere. So this will be 50 microamperes. Write it as 50 into 10 power minus 6. That is change in the base current. Then change in the collector current. Delta IC is equal to 10 milliampere minus 5 milliampere. 5 to 10 they gave. So this will be 5 milliampere. 5 into 10 power minus 3. What is the beta value? We know the formula delta IB by delta IC. 5 into 10 power minus 5. This 0 will cancel, so it becomes 10 power minus 5. So it becomes delta IC. Delta IC by delta IB. So this value 5 into 10 power minus 3 by 5 into 10 power minus 5. So it becomes 100. 10 square will remain, means 100. So sixth question, it will be second option. Okay. Next, see the seventh. What they are asking, a forward bias diode is, here it will be, here diode is like this, here 3 volt, it will be 5 volt. You have to remember this value is more than this, then only it will be forward bias. So first option will be wrong. second option, if you check, what are the values given? This will be minus 2 volt. This will be plus 2 volt. So it will be also wrong. It should be greater than this. Next, here it will be 0. It will be minus 2. 0 is greater than minus 2. So it will be in forward bias. Next, here minus 4, minus 2. Minus 4 is less than minus 2, so this will be not the answer. Seventh question, it will be third option. Clear? Simple logic only. Next. Eighth question, what they are asking, see. So here, check that this will be NOR gate and one more NOR gate. Like this. What will be the output of this? Here Y value. I am assuming here Y bar. Here this is AB. Okay. Check AB values all are same only. AB 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Then Y bar, tell me what will happen. If this is not there, only OR gate, it will be 0. Because NOR gate, reverse will come, so it will be 1. So 0 1, OR gate will be 1. NOR gate will be 0. 1 0, OR gate will be 1. NOR gate will be 0. 1 1, OR gate will be 1. NOR gate will be 0. Here 2 ones are applied. Then for OR gate output will be 1 only. Because of NOR gate output will be 0. My understanding? I applied 1 1. If it is OR gate, what will happen? Output will be 1. Because NOR gate output will be 0. 0 0. OR gate output will be 0. NOR gate output will be 1. Next, same zeros. So 1 1 1. 2 zeros. So here, this is also 2 zeros. Output, if it is OR gate, output will be 1. NOR gate output 0 0. OR gate output will be 0. NOR gate output will be 1. So they are not mentioning this Y dash values. So A, B, Y, which will be correct. So third option will be the answer for it. Clear? See the 9th question. What is that? See. In the energy band diagram of a material shown, the open circles and fill circle denotes holes and electrons. Then the material is, observe, holes are 6 holes are there. 4 electrons are there. Hole density is more than electron density number. So that will be p-type semiconductor. Since number of holes greater than number of electrons, material will be p-type semiconductor. P-type semiconductor. So option for it will be ninth question, it will be fourth option. Next, 10th. Voltage gain of an amplifier is 9%, negative feedback is 10, voltage gain without feedback is, actually this is not there, syllabus has changed, but previous question at that time this syllabus is there, but now it is not there. What is the formula here is voltage gain with feedback will be, voltage gain without feedback will be AV. Voltage gain with feedback will be AB dash 1 plus beta into AV. What is AV? Voltage gain without feedback. With feedback AV dash. With feedback how much they gave? 10 AV by 1 plus 9% they gave, so 9 by 100. Don't take negative feedback means minus don't take, just it will be, take it as 9% into AV. Okay, so 10 cross multiplication, 1 plus 0.09 AV is equal to AV. So 10 plus 0.9 AV is equal to AV. Bring this one to that side. So AV minus 0.9 AV is equal to 10. 0.AV is equal to 10. AV is equal to 10 by 0.1 means 100. So option for this is first option. These formulas, this negative feedback, positive feedback, those are not there. Just they gave, you prepare this one problem enough. Next, 11th question. What they are asking? 11th. Yes. The circuit is, what is the circuit here? Okay. Just NOR gate, first NOR gate, next NAND gate, next NOT gate. What will be the output? Which will be the, this. For example, AB values are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Here NOR gate C, let it be. How much will be there? 1, 0, 0, 0. These two C's are applied to the NAND gate. Two ones are applied to the NAND gate. Two ones are applied for the AND gate means output will be 1. So NAND gate means this NAND gate output will be equal to 0. Is it understanding? Two C's are means two ones are applied to the NAND gate. If it is AND gate, two ones are there, what will be the output? 1. Because NAND gate output will be 0. Two zeros are applied. AND gate output will be 0. NAND gate output will be 1. Okay, next this is applied to the NAND gate, NOT gate, final 0 becomes 1, 0, 0. So these two are not required for us, only output. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. This will be equal to NAND gate. Okay. So option NOR gate, not NAND gate. NOR gate, 0 0, all are ones, NOR gate. So option for this will be 11th, fourth option. This is the truth table for NOR gate. Next, 12th question. What they are asking, see, 12th one. Photo PN photodiode is made of a material with band gap of 2 electron volt. Minimum frequency of the radiation that can be absorbed by the material is E is equal to H nu. E value will be 2 electron volt. 2 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. The 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into nu. Then nu is equal to 3.2 into 10 power minus 19 by 6.6 into 10 power minus 13. Approximately it will be 2. Just more than 2 will be there. It will be 1 by 2 means 0.5 into 10 power 15. So 5 into 10 power 14 H. So option for the 12th question, it will be third option. Next, 13th. What they are asking, see. Four logic gates are given. OR gate means it will be fourth one. Next NOT gate will be second one. Next NAND gate means first one. 4 to 1. So 13th it will be second option. Next 14. PNP diode, PN photodiode is fabricated from the semiconductor of band gap 2.5 electron volt. What the detect the signal of wavelength? Lambda is equal to 12,400 by capital E. It will be in electron volt. It will be in angstrom unit. So 12,400 by 2.5. If we calculate, finally this value will be 4960 angstrom unit will come. So that diode will detect the wavelengths less than this wavelength. This wavelength or less than that wavelengths, it will detect. So in the given options, less value comparing to that will be third option. So diode will detect the waves having wavelength less than or equal to 4960 angstrom unit. Less value comparing to 4960 will be 4000. So 14th it will be third option. Okay. Next 15. What they are asking, see. Transistor is operated in a common emitter configuration at Vc is equal to 2 volt. Change in the base current, change in the collector current, current gain is. Current gain beta is equal to delta IC by delta IB. Delta IC value will be 10 minus 5, so 5 milliampere. base current 100 microampere. So it becomes 50 na? It will be 50. So 15th it will be third option. Next 16. What they are asking, see 16. To get output 1, the circuit shown below, the inputs values will be. What will be the ABC values to get output 1? Here 1 will be OR gate. AB. Output coming from the OR gate. Here C value they applied. Here one output will be 1. What are that values? You have to check the options. No, nothing will be there. So first option they gave 0, 1, 0. First option they gave 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. Check it. 0, 1, OR gate output will be 1. 1, 0 AND gate output will be 0. So here not, it is not coming. Second option values they gave 0, 0, 1. Here 0, 0, 1. Here output will be 0. Again output will be 0. So this is not the answer. Third option they gave 1, 0, 1. 1, 0 output will be 1. 1, 1 output will be 1. So third option will be the correct option. Fourth, if you check 1, 0, 0. Since it is 0, 1, 0 again it becomes 0. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0 output will be 1. 1, 0 output will be 0. So third will be the correct answer for it. 16th question, it will be third option. Next, see the 17. What they are asking. Common emitter amplifier has voltage gain of 50. Input impedance of 100 ohm, output impedance of 200 ohm. What is the power gain? Okay. So AV is equal to beta into RL by RI. We know the formula this. Here AV value will be 50. Voltage gain is 50. Beta we don't know. This input resistance is 100, output resistance is 200. 200 by 100. So beta is equal to 50 by 2. 2 zeros will cancel. So beta value will be 25. Next. Then beta value we got na. Then power gain. Beta square into RL by RI. Or beta AV you can take. Then beta into AV. Beta value 25, AV value 50. This value 1250. So 17th question it will be third option. Simple problems only, concentrate on this lesson. Definitely will get good marks in this lesson. 18. Which of the following statement is false? Second statement will be wrong. Majority carriers in n-type semiconductor are electrons, not holes. Pure semiconductor with trivalent impurities gives p-type semiconductor. First option correct. Third option, minority carriers in p-type semiconductor are electrons, correct. The resistance of intrinsic semiconductor decreases with the increase of temperature, correct. So only second option is wrong. So 18th question, it will be second option. Just statements, simple. Next, 19. The device that acts as the common complete electronic circuit means integrated circuit will be the electronic circuit, PN junction, junction diode, junction transistor, Zener diode, all are components only. One part of the circuit. One complete circuit means IC, integrated circuit. Next 20. So 19th it will be second option. 20 you see symbolic representation for 4 logic gates are given by first and means second, NAND means it will be 4, NOT will be third. So 2, 4, 3, 20 it will be first option. Simple, 4 gates they give. You in that 4 gates, what is the AND gate? AND gate will be second one. What is NAND gate? Fourth one will be the NAND gate. What is NOT gate? Third one will be the NOT gate. Okay. 20 it will be first option. So still 40 questions are there. In the coming 2 lectures we will try to finish this chapter. Like that we will plan. Today we will stop now. Okay. Thank you.